GiggleWigglePlay.
Hey kids, let's learn the letter H. Come sing with me. H is for horse, clip, clop, let's go.